How to easily visually conveniently check the working state of the electricity. This problem has been well solved by Sassin Smart app. All you need to do is download and install Sassin Smart app. Log in with your own account. Then you can control and view the state of your electricity at any time and any place. Sassin Smart app can be downloaded from Google Play Store or from Apple App Store and installed. After we install Sassin Smart app, we can open the app. The existing account can input the account and password to log in directly. Otherwise, you can click Register. If you forget your password, you can click Forget Password to retrieve. If you want to have an experiment, you can click Tourists to run experiment.